One board. Wait,
Two, three.
Oh my gosh!
Hi, my name is Jerry O'Donnell. I'm a teacher here at Eagles Landing Middle School. Now before we get into the physics of this and you apply the equation force equals mass times acceleration, there's a few things that you need to know when you go and break boards. First of all, you got to have these boards in squares. Okay, now this is pine. You'll never see these guys breaking oak boards because it's just going to be too difficult. And you're never going to see them breaking balsa wood because you can snap that with your hands. But this pine board at least affords somewhat of a challenge. But one of the things you don't want to have in your boards is you don't want to have these knots. It's really hard to bust through a knot. So you try to cut the boards with cutting out the knots actually. You want the board to be actually clear of those knots, okay? And then what you look for is the grain. The grain are the growth rings of the tree. And here you can see how the growth rings are going in this direction. That's how you're actually going to put it on the box, with the grain going this way. Now if I put the grain this way, I can stand on this, I can jump on this, and I'm never going to break it. That's why whenever you see these guys breaking these things, these boards especially, it's going to be with the grain. Now when they break it, they're going to actually put the grain, or the growth rings right here, facing down. It's easier to do it that way. Also, there are different types of blows that you can use to break these boards. When we consider the blows, okay, I consider the karate chop like this. You can come down with your knuckles, like that. Or what I do is I use the meaty part of my palm, and I come down, and that's when I show all my students, because it doesn't hurt. Okay, this way you risk breaking your knuckles, this way you risk breaking your pinky. Okay, so I don't suggest that you use either of those two techniques. This part with the meaty palm coming down right in the middle, coming straight down, okay, will do the job. You don't want to slap the boards. You'll see in the video people slapping the boards, they'll never break. The force has to come straight down. And here's where we get into force equals mass times acceleration. It takes a certain amount of force to break this board. I can only accelerate my hand so much. The only thing I do have control over is the amount of mass that I put behind my blow. If I just jab, there's not much mass. If I turn, I put the whole mass of my body behind the blow, okay, I can knock somebody out. The same is true when you apply it to the board. If I just slam it down like this, okay, I may not be able to break it. But if I put my whole body onto it, my shoulder comes down, my whole body comes down, I've increased the mass of the blow. Mass times acceleration equals force. Now, when you see these guys breaking multiple boards or blocks of ice or concrete blocks, there comes a point where the spacers allow the board to collapse in the middle, and it helps you break the second board. If the second board or block breaks, it falls on the third one. By the time you get down to the fourth level, the weight of the block or the concrete block or block of ice or board helps you break the next one. So as it gets down to the lower level, they actually almost break themselves. But it looks really impressive. Right. Like that.
Remember, you're breaking the one under it.
So they just break it down. Break the board underneath. 1, 2, 3. One more time.
They go higher.
Okay, how do you do it again?
Nice and high.
Shoulder, right into it. 1, 2, 3.
One. Good. One.
Here it is, Alex. No. Not his name.
One. One.